Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holder? What's going on this time, my friends? The Pancakeswap price will pumps up, and definitely it's really good news, my friends. To after a dump, every coin will pumps up. So therefore, I'm really appreciating. I'm really happy, my friends. To you can see here the price is increasing now. It is also possible, my friends. To in upcoming time the price will more increase, and definitely the holder says to in upcoming time we will going to collaborate, my friends. So, sorry, my friends, we will going to hold, and we will go into my friends holding now. So absolutely, if they are starting holding, then definitely, my friends, the price will pumps up. Yes, my brother, if you also starting holding, so my friend, when a price will pumping up, that all credit goes to holders. Yes, if a holder are starting holding, then of course, my friend, the price will pumping up. Otherwise, my friend, the price will fail us down. Experts says, my friends, to in upcoming time there is a 200% chance, my friends, to the price will pumps up. You know why they says? The reasons, my friends, which they will define as that, my friends, to in upcoming time, the holders, when a holder are starting buying, then the price will pumping up. Remember this. They says, my friends, to in upcoming time the short term investor are starting holding. When a short term investor are starting holding and they will never starting selling, then 100%, my friends, the price will increasing. And second, my friends, they will that too in those days every coin will moving upward, because in last 10 days, my friend, of every coin, every month, every coin, my friend, is completely go to the moon. So therefore, these two reasons they will define it, my friends, and I think that's 100% going right now. So my friends, my advice for all of you, remember, I cannot make any financial video. My advice for all of you, too, please hold on. You will need to wait for in upcoming 5 or 10 days. I hope, my friends, too, the price will completely go to the moon. But otherwise, after that, you research personally, please. And my friends, do this what you, my friends, research. And please, my friend, if you are starting investing in those days, remember to you will get a very good profit in the end of month. So therefore, I think you will never need to miss this chance. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. All right, so thank you so much, holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.